Is it good? No, dude.
See that stuff is in there?
What?
Paper.
There was something in there with it?
Yeah.
So the last person that did this. So you work on everything, Mario?
Yep. Chevy, Ford, Mitsubishi, Honda, Toyota, Nissan.
What are some of the services you provide?
Everything. Oil change, brakes, tie rods, front suspension, back shocks, engine replacements, transmissions, flushes, all the good stuff and reasonable prices. That's how Mario does it.
Do you work all hours?
8 to 6. That's my hours. Any later than that, don't come.
It's past 6 tonight.